Dalai Lama. Then I say, who is the real Dalai Lama? Yeah, it's Kukun, right? Who's the real Dalai Lama?
Go. You're saying.
No, who is the real Dalai Lama? Just say, yeah, it's the real Dalai Lama. We don't know. So you don't know who's Dalai Lama. So why you say Dalai Lama stop lying? You say Dalai Lama stop lying. You don't know who's Dalai Lama. That's perfect. You don't know. Then why you say Dalai Lama stop lying? You don't know who's the Dalai Lama. Then you say always the Dalai Lama stop lying. No. Then you say you can't practice doji shooting. So you cannot, right? You know how is practice shooting? Yeah. One more question. How practice shooting? Who is shooting?
Doji shooting.
Yeah.
For us, doji shooting is.
Yeah, you're doji shooting. Okay. You practice now doji shooting. How to practice doji shooting? Yeah, you say you cannot practice doji shooting. We disturb to you, right? Then you practice now. I see who disturb to you. Yeah, start with it. Yeah, please, you start now. You can practice now. I see. I think you on the camera. Nobody is disturb to you. You can practice now. You can now start your practice now. We learn stuff.